What's going on everyone? This is Wrestling Seeker, November 28, 2021. As the thumbnail of the video says, I'm here to cover the best wrestling segments and matches of the week. So if you guys like this initiative, do hit on the like button and show your support to us. So with that said, let's get started. So firstly, before I move on and cover anything, I want to mention one thing. To be frank, this is one of the most nothing happening wrestling weeks in recent times, which in turn gives us less stuff to talk about. So firstly, let us talk about the wrestling segments of the week. All of you by now who have followed the wrestling this week know that the segment of this week is the promo battle between MJF and CM Punk. And let's talk about it now. First thing, according to me, this segment is an absolute masterclass in promo. Was this the best promo segment of the year? I may not say that. But still, it is one of the best segment of this year. The reason for that is, we have the two best promos at the same time in the same ring. Some felt this is too long. Others felt it is everything that they wanted. And few felt it just stretched a bit. Except with the first one, I agree with the rest of the two. Yes, it stretched a bit, but still it is everything one wanted from a segment that includes MJF and CM Punk. The interesting thing here is that they are just at the start of the program. Now let's talk about the substance in this segment. The substance is that the insults that each threw at each other. And also most importantly, the story that was narrated throughout this segment. Let's first cover the MJF side of the story. MJF says that CM Punk has been avoiding him from the time he made his debut in this company. And for that, the counter story that CM Punk is telling is that he just do not want to feed the ego of MJF. And now let's talk about the few insults that each threw at each other. First, MJF called Punk Punky, PG Punk, meth addict, and also the most eyebrow raising. He's always been the second fiddle to the You Can See Man and the King of Kings. And now let us see the insults that CM Punk threw. Called him the less famous Miz and said that MJF is being replaced by Britt Baker at the fourth pillar of AEW. And also called him my jealous fan. These are the few highlights of this segment that I wanted to cover. If anyone still did not watch this segment, please go out of your way and watch this segment. This is one of the best promo segments of this year. The next segment that I wanted to talk about is the segment by Seth stomping Balor's head twice. After that, while he's going on the ramp, a fan attacks him, which is quite unexpected. The reason that I wanted to talk about this segment is due to the fan attacking Seth Rollins, the performer. In this year, this thing happened twice. One time on Dynamite and this week on Raw. The story that came out later in this week about that fan is that at a meet and greet, this fan met Seth Rollins and asked him about how to become a wrestler. And the other news that is reported is that someone using fake account of Seth Rollins took some money from this guy. So this is the reason why that fan attacked Seth Rollins. After hearing this story, I felt most of what this fan reported might be, in my opinion, BS. The reason why I wanted to talk about this segment is fans should not cross the guardrail or barricade. Their job is to just cheer and boo the wrestler that they like and the wrestler that they dislike, through which they could have a good and smooth time while they are at the show. The one thing I feel is that the security guys should be more active. Now let us talk about the wrestling matches of the week. For me, the wrestling match of the week is undoubtedly Becky vs Charlotte at Survivor Series. As I said in my Survivor Series review, this is one of the best women's match of all the year. And not often that we find that a women's match being the match of the night at the pay-per-view. So on that, kudos to both Becky and Charlotte for delivering a top-notch performance. The next match that I liked was the AEW Dynamite main event between Cody, Pac and Lucha Bros versus FTR and Andrade and Black. This was an excellent match. If you guys are looking into a match with high spots, this is the match for you. It is both fast paced and well wrestled. If you have not seen this match, do check it out. So with that, we come to the end of the video. So if you enjoyed our work, do subscribe to our channel and show your support to us. And also do share this video to your wrestling friends. Until next time, stay safe and have a great weekend.